cabins and grounds and do little errands for my mother. The ones she allows her might be capable of doing.
Would you go out with friends?
Aí, ó. Quem deu hoje no rolê?
Well, a boy's best friend is his mother.
Os dois lados e ele não quebra. Então, o velho tá nós termina de quebrar.
Described as a guy who thinks he's flying, is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. Oh no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Try to hold